A secret society do exist. Illuminati.
He is a legend in the K1, you understand? But he come back. He is a phoenix, you understand? He is one of the best hero in Japan in the fighter, all K1 fighter, you understand? Very, very nice. I like him. I respect him.
Rising up, back on the street, did my time, took my chances.
The punch from Branko, I know it because he cut me also with it. The punch is so strong that he can decide a fight any moment.
You trade your passion for glory.
His style is a samurai, you understand? Do you know samurai? Bam! Oh, fantastic. Unbelievable. Only one punch. Japanese people, they like him. Yeah. Very, very surprised. He's a 42, 43 years old, but his spirit is 20. You understand? His brain is 40, but his fighting spirit and his body is 20 years. My planning is July, Nagoya Dome, baseball stadium, and 50,000 people coming. Opponent is Branko, Bernardo. It's my hope. The reason is Bernardo beat Peter 2 times. Peter is brother, is Branko. Yes, sir. Branko is the older brother. The fight, revenge in Changpuek, Croatian Tiger gym.
Only man who can beat him, or even it's a very hard fight, will be Peter Aerts. But they tour for my gym. So, but we will see when they in the final. We make a real fight with respect, and I don't coach Peter Aerts, I don't coach Branko, because both Branko is my best friend, Peter is like a son. So for me it will be hard, but I stay out. But I think that Branko can win the key one again, yes.
I think for me it was better to stop when he knocked out Hoost. For me, he can only lose. He made everything what's possible. He win the K1, he knocked out everybody almost. So he can only lose. He can only lose. He can win more. So for me, it's not. But he wants. He's hungry.
You get a few people in the world that are exceptional sportsmen, that can stay away from the sport that made them famous for a very long time and then come back and make a very big impact and show everybody that they're still as good as what they used to be. If I can start naming a couple of people, I'll talk about people like George Foreman, who made a comeback. He's now 50 whatever years old, or close on 50 years old, and he's still beating up young guys. I mean, that's exceptional. And then the kickboxing circuit, Branko Cikatić is also, he's what, 43 at the moment, and he's made a comeback now, and he just beat up a guy that's young, almost half his age. So that shows that he's an exceptional sportsman. I think that people like that, you don't find them everywhere in the world.
Let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shots, terrorize 10 city blocks. My sound, got it hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out. Still zone a 50-mile radius. To the hot shot bust. What? The bomb IV, you don't wanna test. Stop you, quicker than ABS. What? Test these, nigga, I can't test these. Please, chill kid, I be nice with these. So son, I fire rounds in the sky. You can't recruit, salute like a GI, like who said it, protect your neck. When I rep the discotheque. Check, back to this on that. I got to go leave the ride. Check, back to this on that. I got to go leave the ride. Check, back to this on that. I got to go leave the ride. Check, back to this on that. 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 hunter. Got the mic roll to your dome, then I rip it. Blah. Watch gray matter fly. Green. So such shots on your brain. I mean, relentless, you can't maintain or survive. Bad blood sucker gon' die. Surprise. Suicide bomb with 7 lives. Bring your lyrical killer, no delay. Put it on them like a cheap negligee. So why you let them gas you to pass the room? The one man crew getting wild like the zoo. I got ya. With a clean, last back at ya. Like laughter. Swing now, no bed, take the deck. Watch me wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. 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 No smile, crack your whole profile. While I let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shot, terrorize 10 city blocks. My shine, got the hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out still zone a 50-mile radius. To the hot shot bust, what? The bomb IV, you don't wanna test, stop you. Bring out that ABS, test these, nigga. I can't test these, please. Chill kid, I be nice with these. So son, I fire rounds in the sky. You can't recruit, salute like a GI, like who said get protect your neck. When I wreck the discotheque, I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride a check. Wreck the discotheque. 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 Back, this gray matter fly. So such shots on your brain. Relentless, you can't maintain or survive. Bad blood suckers gon' die. Surprise. Suicide bomb with 7 lives. Bring it lyrical killer, no delay. Put it on them like a cheap negligee. So why you let them gas you to pass through? The one man crew getting wild like the zoo. I got ya. Nigga, please. Blast back at ya. Make you decide like laughter. Swing that. No back, take the deck. Watch me wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. 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 No smile, crack your whole profile. While I let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shots, terrorize 10 city blocks. My shine, down the hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out kills on a 50-mile radius. Till the hot shot bust. What? The bomb IV, you don't wanna test, stop you. Quick out that ABS. What, test these? Nigga, I can't test these, please. Chill, kid, I be nice with these. So, son, fire rhymes in the sky. You can't recruit, salute like a GI. Like who said, kid, protect your neck. When I wreck the discotheque, I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the booty to ride the check. Wreck the discotheque. 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 first world wonder. Walk up, sucker hunter. Have the mic thrown to your dome, then I rip it. Fly. Watch gray matter fly. So such shots on your brain. Relentless, you can't maintain or survive. Bad blood sucker gon' die. Surprise. Suicide bomb with 7 lives. Bring your lyrical killers, no delay. Put it on them like a cheap negligee. So why you let them gas you to pass through? The one man crew getting wild like the zoo. I got ya. With the bleed, blast back at ya. Side like laughter. Swing now, no then take the deck. Watch me wreck the discotheque.
I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. 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 Back to this on that.
I'm so happy. Thank you very much, Tokyo. I'm back now with my father and my coach.
本当にありがとうございます。とても幸せです。コーチのスタッフにもお礼を言いたいと思います。Who was the toughest opponent today?
Satake,
今日
3 rounds was very hard. Good and punch good. I like to him if he wants for one section.
I'm beating out till zone a 50-mile radius. Get a hot shot bust. What? The bomb IV. You don't want to test. Stop you. We got that ABS. Test these. Nigga, I can't test these. Please. Chill, kid. I be nice with these. So, son, firearms in the sky. You can't recruit. Salute like a GI. Like Bruce said, kid, protect your neck. When I rep the discotheque.
I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I gotta go leave the ride check. Back to this on that. 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 Back to this on that.
Smile, crack your whole profile. While I let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shots, terrorize 10 city blocks. My shine, down the hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out till zone. 6-mile radius. Till the hot shot bust. What? The bomb IB. You don't wanna test. Stop you. Quick out an ABS. What? Test these? Nigga, I can't test these. Please. Chill, kid, I be nice with these. So, son, I fire rhymes in the sky. You can't recruit. Salute like a GI. Like who said it? Protect your neck. When I wreck the discotheque.
I got the flow, you can ride a check. Back to discotheque. I got the flow, you can ride a check. Back to discotheque. I got the flow, you can ride a check. Back to discotheque. I got the flow, you can ride a check. Back to discotheque. 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 Back to discotheque.
smile, crack your whole profile. While I let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shots, terrorize 10 city blocks, my shine. Down the hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue.
Thank you very much. I don't know what I said. I want to say I love you and I will miss to you. Believe me, I want to tell thanks Mr. Easy because I won the top fight last year, 93, but I win and I will fight again one more year. I want to say thanks my big friend, Mr. Akira Koshikawa. And you see I have the mantle. What I have is because I have Tosa dogs. I love him. And I never forget Japan. I always would like to come back here. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you. I have opening my school in Croatia. You know that the war is Croatia and very difficult time. And I'm so happy because last year I winning this tournament. After that I cannot train so much because I'm building my gym and I was in the war problem. It's very difficult for me and my Tom, my coach is my father, my friend, my everything. We are all together. It will be very difficult to stop. I know that I can physically and technically everything, but it's time to go in and time. And I want that this fight is for the children of the Croatian fighters who fighting for freedom of my country, Croatia. Last year, when I win this fight, I'm afraid I have never problem psychically like this time. Believe me, I was fight for myself, for my Tom, for my country, for you, because you are the best public what I have in the world. Thank you very much.
そしてアーネスト・ホーストより花束の贈呈があった。続いて師匠であるトム・ハーリンク。
トム・ハーリンクよりブランコシカティックに花束を贈呈していただきます。最後に聖堂会館館長石井和義より花束を贈呈いたします。
我々に数々の名勝負を見せてくれたブランコ・シカティック、そして我々に感動を与えてくれたブランコ・シカティック、我々はあなたのことを忘れません。世界で一番強い40歳、サンキューブランコ・シカティック。
I got
your whole profile. While I let go of a flow like the Nile. Straight shot, terrorize 10 city blocks, my sound. Down the hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out, still zone a 50-mile radius. To the hot shot bust, what? The bomb IV, you don't wanna test, stop you. Quicker than ABS. Test these, nigga, I kick that these, please. Chill kid, I be nice with these. So son, fire rhymes in the sky. You can't recruit, salute like a GI, like who said it, protect your neck. When I rep the discotheque, I got the flow, you can ride a check. Rep the discotheque. I got the flow, you can ride a check. Rep the discotheque. I got the flow, you can ride a check. Rep the discotheque. I got the flow, you can ride a check. Rep the discotheque. 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 Rep the discotheque.
Stop. No more compromises. No more half measures. Tonight, the age of man comes to an end. No more compromises. No more half measures. Tonight, the age of man comes to an end.
wonder. Bloodsucker hunter. Have the mic thrown to your dome. Then I rip it. Watch gray matter fly. So such shots on your brain. Relentless, you can't maintain. Or survive. Bad bloodsucker gon' die. Surprise. Suicide bomb with 7 lives. Bring a lyrical killer, no delay. Put it on him like a cheap negligee. So why you let them gas you to pass through? The one man crew getting wild like the zoo. I got ya. Lyrically, last back at ya. Swing that, no heads hit the deck. Watch me rep the discotheque.
I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. 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 Back to this on that.
No smile, fuck your whole profile. Wow, I let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shot, terrorize 10 city blocks. My sound, kind of hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out still zone a 50-mile radius. Till the hot shot bust. What? The bomb IV, you don't wanna test, stop you. Quick at an ABS. What? Test these, nigga, I can't test these. Please, chill kid, I be nice with these. So son, fire rhymes in the sky. You can't recruit, salute like a GI, like who said it, protect your neck. When I wreck the discotheque.
I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. I got the road, leave the ride check. Back to this on that. 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 Back to this on that.
Stop. No more compromises. No more half measures. Tonight, the age of man comes to an end.
this on tap. Back with this on tap. I got the flow to keep it right, check. Back with this on tap.
Guinness World Wonder. Walk up, sucker hunter. Have the mic thrown to your dome. And I rip it. Watch gray matter fly. So such shots on your brain. Relentless, you can't maintain. Or survive. Bad blood suckers gon' die. Surprise. Suicide bomb with 7 lives. Bring your lyrical killers, no delay. Put it on them like a cheap negligee. So while you let them cash you to pass through, the one man crew getting wild like the zoo. I got ya. Lyrically, last back at ya. Swing now, no dead, take the deck. Watch me wreck the discotheque.
I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. 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 Back to this on deck.
No smile, crack your whole profile. While I let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shot, terrorize 10 city blocks. My shine, got the hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out. Still zone a 50-mile radius. Till the hot shot bust. What? The bomb IV. You don't wanna test, stop you. We got that ABS. What? Test these, nigga. I can't catch these. Please, chill kid, I be nice with these. So son, fire rounds in the sky. You get recruit, salute like a GI, like who said it, protect your neck. When I rap the discotheque,
I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. I got the go to leave ride the check. Back to this on deck. 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 Back to this on deck.
No more compromises. No more half measures. Tonight, the age of man comes to an end.
this on deck. Back with this on deck. I got the floor, he can ride with check. Back to this on that.
Let go overflow like the Nile. Straight shot, terrorize 10 city blocks. My sound, got a hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out. Still on a 50-mile radius. Till the hot shot bust. What? The bomb IV. You don't wanna test, stop you. Quicker than ABS. Test these, nigga. I kick test these. Please, chill kid, I be nice with these. So son, fire rounds in the sky. You get recruit, salute like a GI, like who said kid, protect your neck. When I rap the discotheque.
Check, back to this on that. I got to go, you can ride. Check, back to this on that. I got to go, you can ride. Check, back to this on that. I got to go, you can ride. Check, back to this on that. 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 Back to this on that.
No more compromises. No more half measures. Tonight, the age of man comes to an end.
This on tap. Back to this on tap. I got the floor to keep it right with check. Back to this on tap.
Yeah, I'm pretty good, but I think that I made a mistake. I started too fast, too strong to fight. There's a reason because I not fight 2 years. Normally I must start slowly. But I think the tempo is good and the public will enjoy it. But its condition is good. You see, it's a very big tempo, and after in the fourth round, I just started to move much better. But I must normally start in first round. I can, but I'm afraid that I'm not enough because I'm not fight 2 years. I'm afraid for that. But in 4 rounds, I'm feeling it like in first round, and I'm not tired. I mean, he kicked a few times very hard, and he gave me a few punch. But I mean, it's not so difficult for knockdown, you know.
My leg overflow like the Nile. Straight shots, terrorize 10 city blocks. My sound, got a hard rock, the hot, the blade on my tongue. I spit the bloody shit, the soul control, nigga. Ain't no fitting it, I'm fitting out sills on a 50-mile radius. To the hot shot bust, what? The bomb IV, you don't wanna test, stop you. Quick at that ABS. What, test these? Nigga, I can't test these, please. Chill kid, I be nice with these. So son, fire rhymes in the sky. You can't recruit, salute like a GI. Like who said, kid, protect your neck. When I wreck the discotheque. I got the code, keep me round the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the code, keep me round the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the code, keep me round the check. Wreck the discotheque. I got the code, keep me round the check. Wreck the discotheque. 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 Wreck the discotheque.
Stop. No more compromises. No more half measures. Tonight, the age of man comes to an end.
Svima, došli tu. Ovo je bila moja zadnja borba. Zadnji put sam imao 8 godina tu za jednu meč. Tako da sam imao tremu više. No, kad sam nastupao u Tokiju, 60.000 ljudi ili u Las Vegasu ili u Melbourne. Osjećao sam se dužnim da prikažem dobru borbu. Nisam zadovoljan sam sa sobom, ali zadovoljan sam sa pobjedom. Moj prijatelj, menadžer, trener, Thom Harinck. Uvijek samo.
Illuminati, a secret society do exist. Illuminati, T, 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 T.